Upgrade your bathroom to the next level of luxury with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This stylish 1200 by 800 mm enclosure is designed for those who seek both style and functionality in their corner shower space. The space-saving sliding door design of the KV6 makes it ideal for compact spaces, ensuring that it doesn't intrude into your bathroom. The frameless side panel and 6 mm thick safety glass create an open, airy atmosphere, transforming your daily shower into a spa-like experience. The durable chrome finish of the shower door adds grace and ensures long-term durability. Say goodbye to bathroom floor puddles, thanks to the superior water containment. With easy access and no more awkward manoeuvring, the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure offers both convenience and elegance. Choose the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure for an impeccable bathroom upgrade that seamlessly combines form and function. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.